Miss ko sila. For sure, yung game na to magiging boost namin for next game namin na i-push talaga namin na manalo kasi magiging sayang yung ganitong panalo namin kung di namin pagtatrabawan yung second game namin. So, back to training kami and yun yung magiging bala namin for Capital na kailangan namin makuha yung game namin sa kanila. Girls, we're getting there! Mama! Love ko kayo lahat and kahit anong mangyaring struggle sa atin, wins, loss, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you, Zeus family! Hello, PVL fans. Ina-invite ko po kayong manood on Thursday ng game namin against Capital. Let's go!